Today you're at Oh Mama's on the Avenue. We are a cheese shop and artisan deli located next to the South Bend Farmers Market. And what we're going to do for you today is create one of our custom cheese plates. So right now we're starting with one of our house-made cheeses. It's a raw cow's milk cheese. We make that on our farm in Walkerton, and she's got those in about 1 ounce serving sizes. She's added in a little bit of our house-made giardiniera, some olives, and some salamini. And then we're arranging it on the board in an artistic manner, but maybe with some strategic placements, so balancing or enhancing flavors. So right now we're adding in our aged goat feta, and the flavor profile on that one's a little tangy, a little sharp. Now she's taking one of our thinly sliced meats, a capicola, and she's folding it into florets. It gives it a different aesthetic. As we're building the board, we may move things around a little bit. We work with our products when they're cold. It makes them easier to handle, but everything that you take away from us or prepare at home, you would want to serve at room temperature. So you'll see Lauren start to add in some different cheese friends here in a moment. Again, the olives, but also sometimes nuts, arabeshi, so maybe some desserts, some pretzels, whatever's on the farmer's market. So we have a nice mix on this board of spicy, sweet, sharp, salty, and then crunchy, chewy, firm, hard. So it's a little bit of everything for a little bit of everyone. I'm Jody and this is Lauren, and you're at Oh Mama's on the Avenue. We're located next to the South Bend Farmers Market in the Market District of South Bend. And today we put together for you a cheese board and a cheese box. And we'd love to have you come in and either get components for a DIY or order a custom board or box from us for your special occasion.